Welcome to our channel. Downloading Instagram Reels is simple when you know the right steps. Here's how to save your favorite Reels to your device. Step 1. Open Instagram and find the Reel you want to download. Make sure it plays properly first. Step 2. Tap the three-dot menu icon on the Reel. It's located at the bottom right corner of the video. Step 3. Select Link from the menu options. This copies the Reel's URL to your clipboard. Step 4. Open your web browser and visit an Instagram downloader site like iGram or Save Insta. Step 5. Paste the copied link into the download field. The site will automatically detect the Reel. Step 6. Click the download button. The site will process the video and prepare it for download. Step 7. Choose your preferred video quality if options are available. Higher quality means larger file size. Step 8. Tap Download Video to save the Reel to your device. It saves to your default download folder. Step 9. Check your Gallery or Files app to confirm the Reel downloaded successfully and plays properly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.